In this tech tip video, we're demonstrating how to remove and replace the dampers in Mimaki's TXF300-75 DTF printer. It is always recommended to switch off the power and remove the plug during the maintenance process. By removing the screws on both sides, we can take off the lower front cover of the printer. We will need the extra space to access the carriage. Next, remove the screws on the upper front cover of the printer. On the left side, you'll need to remove a yellow and white ink cartridge to access the screws on the front. Now, we can remove the screws on the carriage's cover plate, so we can get to the ink lines and dampers within the carriage. Remove the rectangular harness. Be mindful of the wiring inside. Do not pull directly out. Bend the harness to the sides to avoid snagging the wiring. A tidy workstation is always recommended, so having your dampers staged is good practice. On all of the new dampers, replace the top plate. This allows the use of the recirculation lines. With most repairs, each technician is subject to their own preference. We like to lay down a little spit pad to catch any ink droplets. Above the ink lines, you'll move the ink line harness to the right. Then, you'll push in the tabs located on the front of the dampers to release them from the printhead assembly. Sometimes you're lucky to get them all, sometimes they require some extra finesse and will unseat individually. Reduce, reuse, recycle. A little housekeeping tip that we recommend while removing the pre-existing damper is reusing the packaging that the new ones came in. Wrap the plastic baggie around the used damper to catch the ink that will bleed from the line. No mess and a clean swap. Also, note the circular white filter and its position. To be effective, it must match for reinstallation. Next, directly transfer from old damper to new damper. 2 out, 2 in, 2 out, 2 in. This method ensures that no lines get crossed. Dispose of bag with old damper and ink, and on to the next one. Same process. Repeat. And repeat once more. Once all dampers are replaced, you'll snap them back into their housing. There will be an obvious click to confirm that they are reseated. Clean up any excess ink or mess. Reattach cable and ink line harness. Plug back in and turn power back on. And that is a 1 printhead, 4 damper replacement on Mimaki's TXF300-75 DTF printer.